Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you a small Flowise AI agent tutorial. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is simply go and search for flowise.ai. Then you should sign in using your account. Here I have signed in already. And in order to activate the dark mode, just go and click on the top right side here on the dark mode. And now you can simply click on add new and add the flowchart that you actually need. So I'm going to click on the plus sign. You can add an agent, you can add an Airtable agent, you can add a chat models, you can add chains, you can use from LangChain, Llama Index, and other utilities just right here. And now I'll simply search for LLMs. Then I'm gonna drag this LM chain and drag it like so and put it right here. Now let me click on the plus sign again, then search for model. Then I'm gonna add the chat OpenAI model right here. Just drag it like so. And here I have the model. Now here you should paste the API and all your credentials. And here you can choose the model name. So let's say that I will use GPT-5, for example. Now I'm going to press the plus sign, then search for conversational agent. Then I'm going to add it just like so. Then I will drag it like so and make them all on one line. In addition to that, I'm going to click on the plus sign again and add a specific website. So let's say this one here, for example, I will drag it like so. Then here I have the website. And of course, you need to add your credentials right here and add the URL. And let's say that you want to add something else like a calculator, for example. You can drag it like so and add it. And now what you should do is to simply connect all of these elements together. So now in order to connect them, you can simply click on this button, then connect them like so and do the same this thing, do the same here to each other. And after you add your credentials, here I have connected, here I can connect this to this like so, and this, and so on. And after you're all satisfied with the results and after you enter all your credentials, you can simply click on Save Chat Flow. And now once you click on Save, you'll have to name your chat flow. So I'm going to name it Zane, for example. Then I'm going to hit the Save button. And this is my chat flow saved. I can come to it back at any time. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.